all about my signature makeup look, or the makeup look which I do before shooting my YouTube videos. So this is the look I created. So you'll get to know what products I used and how I did my makeup. So let's get started. First of all, I'm going to apply a moisturizer, which is the Himalayas face lotion. I'll take some drops of it on my fingers. I have got this much. Apply a primer. It's a dupe one, it's not a original one, so it's the Huda Beauty's primer. I'll take a little bit of this. So I just took one drop of the primer. Products here. The first one is a MAC foundation, and the second one is Lakme's perfecting liquid foundation. So I'm going to use the Lakme one because the MAC one's shade is a bit darker, so I'm going to use this one. I'm just going to take some on the back of my hand. And I'm going to mix the NY Bathe serum in it, because I don't like to apply just foundation on my skin. I like to mix it with some serums or moisturizer. Sorry, I am looking down just because my mirror is down. I am going to apply it all over my face and my neck area too. Now I am going to apply it just like I apply my moisturizer. Take a beauty blender and dab this all over my face to remove the excess foundation. Use the Maybelline's concealer. I don't use concealer because I don't feel like using it, but since today I plan to shoot a makeup tutorial, so I thought why not to use a concealer. So I will just apply a little. And on my eyelids too. I usually don't like to apply concealer because I think only the people who have like super dark circles need concealer. I don't have super dark circles, so I just probably skip concealer part. Now I'm going to use this Maybelline Fit Me's compact, and it's in the shade Natural Ivory, I think so. Yeah, it's 112 Natural Ivory, and I'm going to use this. I'm only going to use my beauty blender because I feel comfortable to use it. It's a bit light for me, but I will work with it. I have two liners here. First one is LA18. It's a black kajal from LA18, and the next is a silver kind of a eyeliner. Yeah, eyeliner. Sorry, I said kajal, but it's a Blue Heavens silver eyeliner. So I think I'm going to apply a black one for now, and I struggle a lot with the liners. So I usually struggle a lot to get a perfect wing. So let's hope for the good luck, because right now I don't want to struggle. And I don't use anything for my brows because I don't like to mess up with my brows, because I think they look fine. The highlighting part I have talked too much, so I'm going to use this shade. No, this one is my favorite shade, so I'm going to use this one. I just applied it only once and see the glow. This highlighters are so pigmented. Use shades from the eyeshadow palette for today. So I think I'm going to use this shade for highlighting my inner corners. And one thing I wanted to tell you people is from now this is my new background. I'll be shooting with this background, and if you people want any changes in my background, you all can DM me on my Instagram, or you all can comment me down in the comment section below, and I will link all the products which I have used in my description box below. And don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. I will link my Instagram page in the description box below. And I want to thank each and everyone for giving love on my previous videos and giving so much views and likes. So thank you everyone for that, and I hope you all will watch my videos more often now, because I started posting videos like after 2 days of gap or 3 days. um, if I feel like done highlighting my inner corners. So thing is the lipstick, and this is a lip crayon from number 7, and it's in the shade Raspberry Red, and I'm going to apply this. I have my earrings on, and this is the look I created. I'm in my signature look, the look which I do while shooting every day. So, and I will link all the products which I have used in my description box below. And don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. I will link my Instagram page in the description box below. And I want to thank each and everyone for my for giving love on my previous videos and giving so much views and likes. So thank you everyone for that, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. And I know I have said it too many times now, but I really want you people to support me, and I know you people have supported me from a long time, because frequently my subscribers have been increased. So thank you everyone for subscribing to my YouTube channel, and I also want you to follow me on my Instagram and increase my followers on Instagram too. It will be a big support for me. And yeah, I finished my video with this thing, and see you soon guys. Bye.